It was the first weekend of fall in Flagstaff, and the rich colors of gold and red were arriving. It's as though nature has a switch the day after summer to turn every leaf into a new color and prepare us all for the snow. Logically, I knew that Flagstaff had all 4 seasons, but I didn't really know what it would be like. After experiencing it for the first time, I have to admit, autumn is hands down my favorite season of all. It's that time of year again to start taking out your coats and your scarves. And what better way to start the season than by heading to your favorite local coffee shop and ordering your favorite holiday drink. The reason this is our favorite coffee shop is the nostalgia. We came here in January to see if we could handle the freezing cold winters. It's nostalgic for us because we remember sitting there in our winter coats and our hot coffee, and we said we love it here. Let's move.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. Flowers and the birds and bees, then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, 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 I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out.
As the trees are turning more and more red each day and shedding their leaves, even the ponderosa pine trees are following suit and shedding their pines. Our dog Rocky used to only be this elated in nature when we took him camping. Now with forest all around us, every walk is paradise for him. Instead of going out and buying brand new silk pillowcases, Shannon has decided she would make them herself in order to save money and develop her newfound hobby. In that same spirit of saving money, I'm learning to make do with what I have and be content with the process of creating. A younger me would have bought a brand new notebook if the desire arose. But I know deep down that a brand new notebook isn't really going to make me happy long term. Knowing that I saved the money or used it for good is the only thing that will generate long-term happiness. If you've ever watched our first video, you'll know that one of the reasons we moved out here is because I thought it would help me slow down. Truthfully, that hasn't been going so great. To be honest, I wanted a year to fly by so that I can make a video showing all 4 seasons of this beautiful place, but I'm learning to enjoy the process in each individual season. I've also learned that it is a discipline that takes practice, and the changing seasons can help over time, but most of all to be patient with myself. When I was a kid, my favorite dessert was pumpkin pie. Every Thanksgiving, I was sure to save room for a piece or two. My new favorite might be this chocolate banana bread that my wife's been making. Autumn makes baking even more enjoyable, and lucky for me, my wife majored in nutrition, literally. Another fun thing to do this season is to play a game or two. Netflix is great, trust me, I love cinema, but sometimes it's good to turn it off and experience some raw connection through playing games together. Green Thumb is like Pokemon, but with plants. The couple who set us up on our first blind date, Austin and Elise, showed us this game, and we've been hooked ever since. As a kid, it was dominoes with the family. With my brothers, it was chutes and ladders, and checkers with my dad. Now it's Catan, Green Thumb, and many, many more. As we get ready for this next season and prepare for the snow, the answer is yes, we love Northern Arizona. Downtown always has something to do, and if you live somewhere currently that doesn't have all 4 seasons, your local Target is another way to know if the season has changed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.